Shanik is here and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making sandwich with lemonade. The required ingredients are ketchup, cheese, tomato, mayonnaise, black pepper and cucumber and bread. Now my friends, let's have a slice of bread. First, we are going to keep some cucumber. Let's take another slice of the bread and keep 2 cucumbers on it. 1, 2. My friends, my favorite vegetables are onion, cucumber and tomato. Now my friends, let's add some onions. Now my friends, let's add some tomatoes. 1 tomato, 2 tomato, 3 tomato and 4 tomato. My friends, now let's take another piece of the bread and let's add some mayonnaise. Now my friends, let's take the last spoon and add it to the last piece of the bread. Now my friends, let's add some cheese on the vegetable. My friends, we have kept cheese. If you want to add butter, you can keep butter on the sandwich. Now my friends, let's add some black pepper. Now my friends, we have added black pepper. Now let's close it. Now my friends, we have made the sandwich. Now my friends, if you have a toaster, you can toast the sandwich. Now my friends, we are going to toast the sandwich in 3, 2, 1. Now my friends, we have got and toasted sandwich. Now let's slice it. My friends, we have to slice the sandwich. Now my friends, let's take this ketchup and draw a smiley face. First, let's open this ketchup. Now let's draw a smiley face. Now my friends, we have drawn a smiley face. Now my friends, the sandwich is ready to serve. Now let's make lemonade juice before we serve sandwich. Now my friends, the ingredients of the lemonade are a glass of water, sugar, a lemon and a serving straw. Now my friends, Step 1. Squeeze the lemon. We have squeezed the lemonade. Now step 2. Add some sugar and stir. If you want to add more sugar or lemonade, you can apple. In lemon there are some seeds. So remove them every seed. Now my friends, we have teared the lemonade. My friends, step 3. Keep the serving straw and keep a lemon off the edge of the glass. Now my friends, I have made my own sandwich and my lemonade. Now let's serve it to my brother Vrina.
Hi Kitten.
Hi Vrina, do you want some sandwich
What
and
is-
lemonade?
Oh, this is the sandwich and this is the lemonade.
Yeah, what you're eating first?
I will eat the sandwich.
We have a roasted one and non-roasted one.
I'll take one piece. Alright. Now I'm going to taste it. It's so good. Thank you.
Now you eat that full and I'll give you the lemonade
Okay.
and try it.
Guys, it's so tasty.
Now my friends, we are giving the lemonade juice to my brother Vrina. Try the lemonade juice.
Alright, I'll try the lemonade now. It's very tasty. It's so sour and so sweet. I love it. Ethan, you give it a try. It's so tasty, alright?
Here. Oh, and you won.
Yeah, special for you.
Don't say that, guys. I like it. My friends, the lemonade helps us to make vitamin C. Sandwich is good for our health because it has vegetables. Vegetables are good for our health.
Alright, Ethan. Thank you for serving me. Bye.
Bye. My friends, thanks for watching our video. In the next episode, I'll be making smoothies. And if you want to see those episodes, what should you do for seeing those episodes? Yeah, you have to hit the like button and subscribe button and turn on notifications all the time. Thanks for watching our video and happy cooking. Bye.